If you still haven't tried homemade fried rice with egg and chicken, you are definitely missing one of the most satisfying meals ever. Hello and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Let's start the recipe. Soak 1 cup of basmati rice in water for 15 minutes. Fried rice was first created in China over 1000 years ago. Every Asian country has its own special twist on fried rice. Wash the rice well. Boil some water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil. Add the washed rice and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Don't overcook the rice. Slightly firm grains make the best fried rice. Then strain oil. Now beat 2 eggs with half teaspoon salt. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Pour the egg mixture and scramble the egg. Eggs add vitamin D, B12 and healthy fats. Now keep aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon garlic. And 1 cup chicken. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup carrot and 1/4 cup capsicum. Use colorful veggies for both nutrition and presentation. Stir in half teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon salt. And cook for 1 minute. This dish is one of the most ordered items in Asian restaurants worldwide. Now add the cooked rice. Using day-old rice actually gives fried rice the best texture. Mix gently, then add 1 teaspoon soy sauce and half teaspoon vinegar. High heat is key to locking in that smoky restaurant-style flavor. Always add sauces at the end to avoid soggy rice. Chicken provides lean protein, perfect for muscle growth. Adding carrots and capsicum boosts fiber and antioxidants. Homemade fried rice is healthier than takeout. Finally, add the scrambled eggs. Mix carefully. And there you have it, hot, flavorful and perfectly balanced fried rice with egg and chicken. A one-pot meal you will keep making again and again. Have you ever tried making fried rice at home instead of ordering out? What's your favorite veggie to add to fried rice? Don't forget to like, share this recipe with your friends. Subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty meals.